Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You have a capable GNSS receiver and a clear sky. Start now by enabling location and selecting GPS-only mode in settings. Walk to an open spot, hold the device steady, and orient its antenna away from metal obstructions. This reduces multipath errors. Wait 30 to 60 seconds so the receiver can scan frequencies and decode satellite ephemeris. During acquisition, the unit builds a satellite list and measures signal timing. Once you see multiple satellites, you move to compute a position fix and continue refining accuracy. Once satellites are tracked, the receiver solves range equations to get latitude, longitude, and altitude. You need 4 satellites for a full 3D fix. Check PDOP. Lower is better, because geometry affects positional precision, so move if PDOP is high. To improve accuracy, enable SBAS corrections like WAS or switch to RTK for centimeter-level fixes when available. These apply differential corrections to remove common satellite and clock errors. If stationary, use position averaging or static mode to smooth noise and lock a stable coordinate. With a stable fix, enter your route or mark waypoints and follow real-time updates for distance, bearing, and ETA. Make sure battery levels and data logging are enabled. Continuous logging lets you post-process if needed. Keep the antenna unobstructed and periodically verify PDOP and satellite count while en route. If you lose lock, first move to open sky, reboot the device, and let it reacquire satellites. If problems persist, inspect antenna connections or switch correction sources. This typically restores a reliable position quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.